speech coding using ETC, it is possible to attain communication quality speech at the rate of 9600 bits per samples. Okay? So using ETC we are getting very high bit rate sampling rate, which is 9600 bits per sample. Okay? Now third type of coding is model based coding. So in the model based coding, the source model is a linear system when excited by an appropriate input signal, so results in the observed source output. Now LPC, so LPC it is the example of model based coding which is widely used in model based coding. So it uses the speech analysis and synthesizes technique and can give speech at very low bitrate like 2.4 kbps. Okay? For very low bitrate you can, that is for 2.4 kbps to 4.8 kbps. Okay? It is very low bitrate. Okay? So the LPC is using at that place, that is for very low bitrate coding. Okay? So speech sounds are categorized into as voiced and unvoiced. The vocal tract is the part of a human body extending from the glottis of the to the lips and plays a key role in speech production. So in speech analysis there exists technique for detecting voiced and unvoiced speech. The vocal tract is modeled as linear, time varying auto-regressive, that is all pole discrete time filter of order P, generally about 10, with system function h of z is given by this, that is g upon 1 upon summation k minus 1 to k equal to 1 to a k to the power to into z to the power minus k. So the sound produced by a filter output depends on the type of excitation and the filter coefficients ak, that is k equal to 1 to p, k is equal to 1 to p रहना, and the voice speech can be simulated by response of all pole filter. It is the all pole filter. ठीक है, वॉइस स्पीड जो आपको मिलेंगे वो इससे मिलेंगे, उसका जिसका इसका रिस्पॉन्स क्या है, इट इज द एच ऑफ जेड. ठीक है, द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ दिस all pole filter, that is when excitation to it is the train of impulses occurring at a regular interval equal to the pitch period. ठीक है, equal to pitch period. And the unvoiced speech can be simulated by a response of this filter to a white noise input. ठीक है, unvoiced के लिए. Now it will be the LPC transmitter uses the binary encoded version of EN as samples of the difference between the actual speech and the synthesized version of it. Information is updated every 20 to 30 milliseconds as speech is not a stationary process and its statistics change whenever the vocal tract size is and or shape changes. The all digital filter all pole filter digital filter used in the synthesizer is generally of order 10. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ द ट्रांसमीटर, एलपीसी ट्रांसमीटर जो हमने अभी बताया था पीछे में, जो इट इज़ यूजिंग द फिल्टर, इट इज़ द स्पीच सिंथेसाइजर विच इज़ यूज इन द एलपीसी ट्रांसमीटर. इट इज़ द स्पीच सिंथेसाइजर विच इज़ यूज विच उसका द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ये. ठीक है, इसको हम यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे एलपीसी ट्रांसमीटर में. सो at the receiver side the receiver reconstruct the speech signal from the information transmitted by LPC transmitted by using a speech synthesizer, and it is the LPC receiver. ठीक है, so it is about LPC coding.